Estrogen dominance is a condition where there's an imbalance between estrogen and progesterone in the body, leading to uncomfortable symptoms. In this video, we'll delve into what estrogen dominance is, its causes, symptoms, and practical natural solutions to restore hormonal balance. Hey there, I'm Maryanne Loving, Doctor of Chinese Medicine, and welcome to Loving Your Health, where we chat all things women's health, hormones, fertility, and menopause. Today, we're chatting all about one of the most common hormonal imbalances that I see in clinic, estrogen dominance. So let's start by understanding what it means. Estrogen dominance occurs when there's an excess of estrogen relative to progesterone in the body. This generally happens in the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle, after ovulation, when progesterone is normally the dominant hormone. However, in estrogen dominance, estrogen becomes the dominant hormone, either due to an excess of estrogen or due to low progesterone levels. So what causes this imbalance? Several factors can contribute to estrogen dominance, including exposure to environmental toxins like personal care products, plastics, non-filtered water, and processed foods, as well as stress, poor diet, perimenopause, and even certain medications. These factors may disrupt the delicate balance of hormones in our bodies, causing an array of uncomfortable symptoms for women. If you're getting value from this content, please consider hitting the like button, which helps drive traffic to this content and helps support the channel. Also, don't forget to pop your comments in below if you have any questions at all about hormones or women's health in general. Symptoms of estrogen dominance may manifest in various ways and can be different from one woman to the next. Symptoms such as irregular periods, heavy clotted periods, weight gain, especially around the abdomen, mood swings, acne, fibroids, endometriosis, PMS, breast tenderness, and even spotting before your period can all be signs that your estrogen may be dominant or you're progesterone deficient. So what can you do to rebalance your hormones? When it comes to treatment, it's important to determine if your symptoms are due to estrogen being in excess or if it's due to low progesterone, or in some cases, it could be both. So working out what the underlying cause of the imbalance is can help determine what the best treatment plan is for you. If your estrogen is in excess, treatments could include limiting exposure to environmental and/or household toxins while supporting liver detoxification to clear excess hormones. For example, eating leafy green vegetables, drinking dandelion root or nettle leaf tea, and consuming adequate amounts of fiber from sources such as fresh flax seeds, psyllium husk, and/or sunflower seeds. If your progesterone is low, treatment would generally focus on managing stress first and foremost, while also consuming foods rich in vitamin B6 and zinc, which can help support progesterone levels. Drinking chasteberry tea and taking evening primrose oil can help support progesterone, as well as making sure you're getting enough vitamin D from the sun and vitamin C from fruits and vegetables. And if you're not getting the health results that you deserve, speaking with a qualified women's health practitioner is always a good idea. And if you're interested in learning more about hormones, you can visit my Hormones for Women playlist to follow, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.